Your new home is equipped with a keyless entry pad for the garage door. For safety and security reasons, you'll want to customize your 4-digit combination. Upon move-in, your combination will default to 1, 2, 3, 4, followed by the arrows to move the door up or down. To change this number set, punch in the current combination and then press Program. Immediately punch in the new combination of your choice and once again hit Program. Your combination should now be changed. For additional help, refer to your owner's manual.